Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play Five Nights at Freddy's 4 for 20 modes. I hope we do this, and I will not speak too much because I need to hear. Okay, let's go now. Oh no. I can't wait to be scared. I can't wait to be scared. So let's go now. I need to hear. I got jump scares a lot of times, so I need to do this. So let's move on. Okay. Wait. Uh-oh. Problems. Wait. Shh. I don't hear anything. Oh, fuck, see. Fuck you, bitch, motherfucker. Okay, wait. No. Fuck you! What the fuck is that? Motherfucker! What the fuck? Foxy! No. Chica. Shh. No breathing. What the fuck, Chica? Okay, Bonnie. No breathing. Okay. We good, right? God, get away, little shit. I'm afraid from Cupcake. Shh. Be quiet. Oh, breathing. I hear breathing again. Oh, motherfucker. I'm afraid from Bonnie. Be quiet. No breathing. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is happening? No breathing? Okay. Holy shit. No breathing? Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, we're still good, right? Okay, so here. No breathing. Alright. 1 AM. Good. No breathing. Okay. I hope I do this because I need to get those 4 stars, okay? No breathing? Okay. What the fuck? No, Foxy! Uh-oh. Problems! Problems! What the fuck? Oh my god. Fuck you, Foxy! Fuck off, bitch. Go to your happy place. Please! Okay. Bonnie. What the fuck is happening? No! Wait. Holy shit. No breathing. Okay, we're good now. Oh, Foxy! Okay, 3 AM, guys, we're going to do this. Come on. No breathing. Yes. Come on. Bonnie. No breathing. Okay. Behind us. Go away, motherfuckers. Okay. No breathing. Okay, I need Foxy now. Okay, Foxy, go away, bitch. What the fuck, Foxy? Wait. No breathing. Okay, no, it's the puppet. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? I'm so scared, guys. No. No. Here again. No. Yep, we go again. This side. No, love. This is real life. Okay, go to the closet. No, that wasn't real. No, no, what the fuck? What the fuck? Wow, I did go to 5 a.m. What the fuck was that? No way. No way, guys. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck! I was so close. What the fuck? Sorry for this. This always happened to me. No problem. I want to do jump scare. Fuck you, Foxy. Okay, let's do again that. Boops. For 20 modes. Oh, this is so fucking hard. I don't know, it's probably I'm going to do not fast motion, and I will do a next episode. Just to know. With 420 modes. I want to be the king of Five Nights at Freddy. Okay, now I need to get those little shits. Oh my god, I was so close. Okay, wait. No breathing. No breathing. What the fuck? What the fuck? The night just started. What the fuck is happening? Okay. Here, left side. No breathing. Just bunny. And little sheets. I'm afraid from cupcake. What the fuck? No! No! Fuck! I heard something, but I wasn't so sure about that was breathing or no. I wasn't sure. Okay. Okay guys, see you the next episode. I'm going to play Five Nights at Freddy 2. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and you're free to subscribe. Bye guys.